Alrighty, so the last piece of this is writing the equation. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you cross out that. Okay, so cross out the first sentence for the number 7 and cross out the last sentence for number 8. Oh, and I did forget to tell you up here, change this day 2 to a day 3. I'm so sorry. Okay. So again, on the front page of our notes, we're changing where it says day 2 to day 3 because obviously this is day 3 of class. We just kind of shifted some things, which actually worked out for the best, right? It happens. It's great. All right. So it says for number 7, he gives 2 pieces to each of his friends. When he finishes handing out candy, he has 30 pieces left. How many friends did he give candy to? So our slope is going to be that 2 because he is giving 2 pieces of candy, right, to each of his friends. Plus, he's going to have his 30 left over in his pocket. So our equation would be y equals 2p plus 30. Okay, so it's basically what we've been working on the past couple days. You got this. So now we have Netflix is charging $15 per month plus a one-time fee for streaming. So our variable is M, right? Per month, each, things like that. Those are your keywords to know that's the number that needs to be next to our X or a variable, our letter. So that's 15 in this case. And then our starting value is 5. So we have y equals 15x plus 5. All right. So what we are going to do is we are going to now connect tables and equations and graphs. Okay. So we're going to kind of go through a couple together, see how you do, and then we'll go from there. Notice at the top that it says there are 6 elves in the factory. H is the number of hours, and T is the total number of toys. So notice how H is the hours, that's in our X value, right? So that means that this is our X and T is our Y. All right. So we have T equals, it says Randall already has 20 toys made. So those are completely done, right? Think about when we were doing our tables. We were building a certain amount per hour. When I had that last class come in, a certain amount were already made. And then he makes 10 toys every hour. So if we're talking about what number is going to go next to X, is it that 20 or is it that 10? It's that 10, right? It's every hour he's making 20 toys. I'm sorry, 10 toys. Dear sweet Jesus. So 10H, and then that's going to be plus 20. So remember how we talked about our y-intercept is when our x is 0. So if we look at all of these, right? That's how we know that this particular one is automatically not B because that y-intercept is 0. These y-intercepts are 20, so that can work. So it's either A or C. So without doing too much math, right, we already know. Then we look at the sides. Well, this one is going up 5 every single time, right? And then this side is going up plus 1 every single time. Well, that's 5 over 1 is the slope, right? And our B is 20. Well, that's not our slope here, right? Our slope here is 10. So let's look at the other one. That's plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Okay, all right. So that means that C is going to be our answer to go with that one. Okay? And then from there, I shouldn't have done that well. We would look at the graph. So which graph has a y-intercept of 20?